You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city, capital city of the country of Angola. If you want to learn how to say Angola in Portuguese more correctly, stay tuned, I've got a video for you. The Portuguese pronunciation here. Yes, Portuguese is the official language of Angola. Luanda. Luanda is the Portuguese pronunciation in English, therefore it's usually pronounced rather similarly as Luanda. Luanda. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.